How are you doing? Have you noticed not many of us are able to say great at the moment? We've had a lot to contend with. I mean, if I was to show you how I feel and think inside at the moment, well, it would probably look something like this. Welcome to the jumbled basement of my mind. If your insides feel a bit like this, well, in Wrexham, there's a social business called Empower Be the Change who have put their unique set of skills and knowledge to work to help people in the current crisis develop mental resilience and to draw upon their innate skill set through a range of personalised mentorship. If you work in social care, you probably see the value of social media, but wonder if it's the right thing for the people you work with. Well, check out Insight. It's a new app that's been launched by the Innovate Trust to specifically provide a much friendlier place for vulnerable adults to stay connected virtually. When it comes to caring responsibilities, well, this one is the one I have to deal with most. But Swansea Carer Centre recognised that for many carers, unpaid carers, they already feel isolated, and in the current crisis, even more so. So they launched 7 helpline telephone numbers to provide support and services to unpaid carers, whether it be immediate financial concerns or just wanting some company and a conversation. The Fern Partnership, who run a number of services, have succeeded in keeping their childcare centre open on a much lower scale, it has to be said, and losing money as well. But they recognise the vital need for childcare provision for key workers. Let's face it, lockdown has not been a friend to physical fitness. So Neath Avon Gymnastics moved all of their classes online. They launched Corona Fit, a range of physical exercises and engagement activities to keep young people physically fit and flexible. In the midst of this crisis, social businesses across Wales are there helping. So why not go to good-news-cymru? Find out the full story and share a little love. Let them know that you believe in what they're doing, either now or when all this is over. Because together, if we pull together, then we can build back better.